snatch squad. This is what, girl? What? What's up, snatch squad? It's your girl Renee, and I'm back with another video today. Hey. You know what y'all should do? Y'all should let me know what is your favorite intro that I have done. I mean, I have about like 120 something videos, so just go through them all, watch them all, tell me which one you like. But anyways, let's get into it. Today I'm here to do my check-in. I'm so thirsty, y'all. I've been had a crazy weekend, and I've been doing my hot girl runs every day. I did a hot girl run every day, 5 days this week, Monday through Friday, back to back, and I'm so proud of myself because I committed to something and the results have shown. So drum roll for your girl. This week I lost 8 pounds, but I'm not proud of myself, and I'm gonna tell you why. Well, I am proud of myself because I went from 239 to 231.9, so I'm really gonna say 232 because 231.9 is really 232. So actually, let me y'all, I forgot I had to show y'all the receipts because honey, people will try to read you on this app. Not this app, this, what is YouTube called? What is YouTube? Oh no, I lied, 232. Why does my fitness pal say 239.1? I thought it was 232. So here you go. Is it gonna focus in for us? Y'all can kind of tell that I say 232, right? It says 232. So yes, that was my weight on Saturday. Today is Sunday. I weighed myself. I was 232. When I started on, let's see, will it give me like the weigh-ins? I already know when I started on Monday it was 239 because I wrote it down, but I don't know, I'm not trying to do that. Well, it won't show me, but yes, when I weighed on Monday, I was 239. Now, little disclaimer. So you're gonna see a video. So the first video you're gonna see is the original first week of this like shredding for the wedding thing, right? I'm gonna be, I think, in a blue outfit. You're gonna watch this one first, that one first. In that video, I say I started 235, right? Because that's true. But I had went home. That was the same week. The week that I started was the same weekend that I had went home to San Antonio, and so I had 8, and so I didn't even like get to weigh myself on that Saturday. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and start again. So on that video I was like, oh, I weighed in at 235. That was my starting weight. That should have been because I was at Monday, right? And then the weekend had came, I was at home, and so when I got back home on Monday I was like, let me start fresh again because I wasn't doing like my meals and all that stuff when I was at home. So when I had weighed myself on Monday after I got back, I was 239. So this is like officially the first week for me, but I already recorded that video, and the first video explains more of like, you know, what I'm doing and the reason why I'm doing it. So I was like, whatever. So there's a little bit of a delay. So that one's going up on Monday, this one's going up the following Monday. So technically I had gained 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 pounds while I was in San Antonio. So when I came back on Monday, I was 239, and then I got down to 232, which is 8 pounds lost, and your girl is proud of herself. But what is that? Oh, the sun is setting. I'm like, what is on me? That's the sun setting. But yeah, so I'm just really proud of myself, y'all, because let me just tell you what I did this week. I did my meal preps. I stuck to them. I literally only ate my meal preps all week long. Where's my little notebook? Oh, it's in the car. I have my this little notebook that I carry around with me, and I kind of like write down what I want to do for the week. But I can tell you my meals that I ate. So I'm on a calorie deficit. I think I told y'all that before. And so my total calories that I can have for the day is 1,463. And so this is kind of how my meal prep went for this week, for the last week. And I'm also doing the same exact meal prep this week because I just didn't have time to sit down and count all the macros and all that stuff up. So I was like, baby, I'm just gonna do the same thing because it's already done for me. So for breakfast, my breakfast is 336 calories. I have 2 eggs, 3 pieces of bacon, and a cup of watermelon. And then for lunch, I have brown rice. It's this brown rice quinoa mix. It's 110 calories. And this teriyaki chicken from Trader Joe's. It's in the frozen section. It's so good. Pause, I'm addicted to Trader Joe's, like addicted. So my lunch is 350 calories. And then for snack is my biggest thing. So snack, I have these carrot sticks in ranch. It's 55 calories. I have turkey, which is 35 calories. It's just 1 ounce. Black cherries, 1 cup is 74 calories. 6 crackers, 65 calories. These like things of cheese, 3 of them is 100 calories. And then Fairlight protein shake is 150. So with the Fairlight protein shake, sometimes I don't want it. So the protein shake is something that I can kind of like choose and mix up into something else. So sometimes I won't have the protein shake and just do like an Outshine pineapple fruit bar, which is 70 calories, I think, or 60. I think it's 70 calories. But yeah, the protein shake is kind of just depends on like how I'm feeling, because I just haven't been in the mood for it lately. So yeah, there's that. And then for dinner, I just have chicken wings. I have 3 chicken wings, like with the full chicken wings. And then I normally have like, oh, I erased the remaining calories. Ugh. So that's 243. So I think for the most part, all that together, I'm so mad I erased the remaining calories on that. That really has just upset my soul. Let me just do the math real fast, because this is gonna really bother me. I'm sorry, y'all. Crackhead, not cracks. I don't want nobody calling the bar talking about something. She said she's on crack, trying to give me this bar. No, ma'am, honey, I need my coins. 350, 476, 243. So 1,405 calories. So like I said, my amount that I can have for the day is 1,463. So I have a couple left. Minus, oh no, 1,405 minus 1,463. So that's 58 calories left over. So you know, you can kind of play with it or whatever. But that's what I've been doing. Feels good. What I really like about it is I can eat whatever I want as long as it fits into the calorie deficit. And I'm actually eating carbs and stuff, and it feels good. It makes me feel good. I'm eating fruit, and I really enjoy fruit. I love having my black cherries. I love having my crackers and cheese. It makes me feel like I'm having a little charcuterie board. So yes, I love that. So I'm gonna do the same thing again this week, because like I said, this, like when I pick the meals for the week, like I have to go through and count all the calories and all that stuff, and it's a little time consuming, and I just didn't have time to do that this week. So I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead, because I normally like figure out what I'm gonna do for the meals on like during the weekend, and I just didn't have time to do it this weekend. So I'm gonna have the same thing again next week, which isn't bad. I actually kind of enjoy what I ate. So actually, not kinda, I did enjoy what I ate, so that's good. The weekend, because that's just my meal prep for Monday through Friday. I do my weigh-ins on Saturdays after I leave the gym. So I go to the gym at 10 a.m., work out, and then I have my meal. This weekend I had this good jar. It's like something that they sell at my gym. It's like kind of like a oatmeal bowl. It's really good. And then my friend invited me over, and so we have barbecue. So I had steak, chicken, salad, potato, and asparagus. So that was good. And then Sundays are my reset days. So I normally like go grocery shopping, do my hot girl walk in the morning, go grocery shopping. Sometimes I go to church, sometimes I do virtual church. And then I come home and meal prep, but Trader Joe's had a power outage today, so they weren't open. So I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow on Monday, which is just gonna be chaotic, whatever. So normally on Sundays, I'm ripping and running all day. I only have one meal, and it's normally like a reset meal. Sometimes I'll just, if I have a meal left over, I'll eat it. Today I had Wingstop. I had an extra credit from Wingstop. But let me put y'all on something. So normally when I go to Wingstop, I always get like the 8-piece wings. I don't really care for the fries that much. The fries are good, but I don't really want to have the fries. I feel like the wings are enough. So instead of getting the fries, I normally swap them out for the carrots and celery. But today I was like, why don't I just swap it out for the corn? So I did that today. I swapped it out for the corn, and it was really good. So yeah, y'all probably already knew that, but yeah, I just thought I would share that with y'all. But yes, and so now let me tell you what my workouts have been, because what I realized is it's like 80% nutrition, right? 20% working out. I switched it up this week. I did my hot girl walks 5 times this week, Monday through Friday. Whew. Intense, I know, but I do a 3-mile walk. So it normally was a walk, but now I've been trying to like force myself to run for the first mile and then walk the rest. And I have these like arm weights, so I like do that. But sometimes my knees be hurting because like it's a lot, and so I'll just do like all 3 miles. I'll walk it. But sometimes I try to like jog as much as I can. The furthest that I've been is like 10 minutes, and then once I get to that point, I'll like stop and like power walk, and then like start up again till I reach the full like first mile. And then I kind of just like either like run for 30 seconds, walk for 30 seconds, walk for 30 seconds, walk for 30 seconds, or depending on how I'm feeling, I'll just walk the rest, because it be hot, y'all. I live in Texas once again, so my hot girl walks in the morning, it already be like 90 degrees outside. And yeah, I told y'all before, I put my sauna suit on in the mornings, and the afternoons I can't wear a sauna suit. I just have to do my hot girl walk in like the scorching heat. So yeah, that's that. So I do that, and then I work out twice a day. So I'll either do, so for example, on Monday I'm going to my gym at 10 a.m. so I'll do the 10 a.m. boot camp, and then that means the afternoon I'll do a hot girl walk. And then Tuesday I have boot camps in the afternoon, so that means I'll do my hot girl walk in the morning. So it's like that. Whichever, if I have to go to the gym in the morning, then I'll do the hot girl walk in the afternoon. If it's gym in the afternoon, I'll do the hot girl walk in the morning. So that's that. Oh, I'm gonna have this today. Let me show y'all this tea. Oh, and let me just tell y'all, I have an Amazon storefront now. So everything that I talk about in these videos, I typically get from Amazon. So you can literally just follow the link in the bio to like my Amazon storefront and you'll see all this stuff. So yeah, this is ballerina tea. I'm gonna be taking that today because my stomach has been feeling weird. Like, and it's not from the food. I think I just need a good, like, you know. So I'm doing that today. It's this herbal tea. It just helps clean you out. I'm taking that today. So baby, I'll probably drop 13 pounds tonight because it's intense. But if you ever feel like you just need to just like let loose and let God and cleanse all that out of you, that's your girl right there. She does what it needs to do. So yes, I'm gonna take that at 8 o'clock. It's 7:43 right now. It's like I'm gonna wait until 8 to have my last meal, and I'm gonna have that. I already ate, so I really could just take it now, but it's in the microwave. What I like to do is put 2 packs in, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then once it finishes, do like this with the plate. Like put a top over it so it can kind of like steep, so it gets like a lot darker. So, and I just let it sit for like 3 hours. The longer it sits, the stronger it is. So just beware. If it's your first time, just follow the instructions, baby. I ain't new to this. I ain't used to this. I ain't new to this. I'm true to this. Is that how you say? I ain't new to this. I'm true to this. I ain't new to this. I do this. Whatever the saying is, y'all know what I'm trying to say. This ain't my first rodeo, okay, baby? I didn't drink all the teas. That's the best one. She gets you there. Yes, so let me stand back some. This is what we're working with. I'm a little bloated right now in my stomach. I don't know if it was the Wingstop or the corn or the chicken. All I've eaten today was just the Wingstop. I just had the 8 wings and the corn. My stomach's been on 10 today, so I don't even know. But yes, that is that. So we are officially on week 1/2. Let me know which makes more sense. Should I just say this was week 1? But like technically it started last week, but like really it starts this week. So I'm gonna say week 1. But y'all gonna see a video, y'all be like, but girl, what? But it's just gonna be week 1. So week 1, down 8 pounds. So I went from 239 to 232. My goal, I wish I had my book in here, y'all. I'm so mad that I have my book in here. I left it in the car. My goal is to get, so I think I kind of talked about it in the last video. I have a number goal per se. Like I want to get down to 210 because I feel like if I get to 210 I can kind of go up or go down and I'll be fine. But really, like, it's crazy. I did tell y'all this, y'all, well, y'all haven't seen it yet because you haven't seen the other video, but in the other video I explained that like I really like have like not really been focusing on the scale, and I'm just looking at my body and I really like what I see. So I'm like, you know, we might get to the halfway point and be like, we good, and just want to maintain. So it's not like a hard goal, like I have to get here. But yeah, that's that. The hot girl walks, honey, have been making us real bronzy for the summer, and I kind of like it. I think it's giving Black Barbie, but yeah, that's that. I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I did differently this week? No. Oh, but that's what I was gonna say when I was saying I was not proud, but I am proud. So I am proud of myself, but I've been listening to TED Talks on my hot girl walks because I feel like listening to a TED Talk on your hot girl walk just makes it more hot girl, because it's like I'm really like investing in myself, like physically and mentally. So I listened to a TED Talk. It was about nutrition. It was this white woman, not that it matters what her race was, but she was white. That's weird. It was a woman, and she was talking about nutrition, and she was like, what did she say? She was like, if you keep, like, basically she was talking about like yo-yo dieting. She was like, really, it's just perpetual failure. Baby, when I tell you that hit my soul, like perpetual failure, I literally had to write a note in my notes, and I was like, I don't like to fail, y'all. Like I don't want to be a failure. And when I thought about it, I was like, girl, you do keep losing the same 8 pounds over and over. Like, you know, I get to like 228, and then like I go back up to like 230, 234, 235, go back down. Like, you know, like that's perpetual failure, y'all. And I'm not saying that if that's what you do, you're a perpetual failure. It just hit me differently. So I was like, oh yeah, no, I'm not doing this. So I've been watching the TED Talks about like nutrition, motivation, and getting the science behind it, and it's really good. If y'all want to know the stuff I'll be watching, let me know, because baby, them TED Talks will get you together real fast, and they be having the science. And I'm like, I like when if you say something to me, then you can like break it down and give me the science and all that stuff behind it. I'm sold. So love that. Been doing that. So yeah. Oh, I do my hot girl walks or my gym workouts. Whichever I do in the morning, I do them fasted. So But I don't stop eating at a certain time. Tonight, I'm stopping eating at 8 o'clock because I need to take this tea before 9 because I have to go to the gym in the morning. And you kind of get my adrenaline. If I don't take it early, I'm going to be boo-booing while I'm in class. And it's not going to be fun to be doing a jumping jack and doo-doo fall out my booty. So that's the reason why I'm doing that today. But I normally eat like dinner around 9 o'clock, I think. Yeah, because I normally get home around like 8. And I like take a shower and eat. So yeah. That's that. So yeah, guys, I will check in with you guys next week. Hopefully, my goal for this week was only to lose 2 pounds, so I surpassed that and I'm really happy about that. So my goal for next week again is to lose 2 pounds. So if I lose another 2 pounds, that'll put me at 230. I'll be happy with that. So yes, I will let you guys know. And you can follow me on MyFitnessPal because I've been uploading myself on MyFitnessPal. Look at me being consistent. My MyFitnessPal name is, I don't even know. Lestipoo1. LESTIEPOOH1. That is me. So if you want to join me, I appreciate it. If not, I'm gonna show y'all on here. I've been saying that I was gonna start like taking videos of like my meal preps, but for some reason I always forget until I'm like on Sunday. I'm like, dang, I should have like showed them my meal prep for the week, but I didn't eat everything already. So I need to start doing that like on Monday, or while I'm doing it, or while I'm putting it in the refrigerator. But yeah, that's the video. I'm gonna stop rambling, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye.